And that's what we all want to do in our lives. You know, I'm nearer death than you are, believe me. And I want to have made a difference. I haven't got 7 million, you know. But I agree with you, education is key to the future. And how unexpected that this rapper would do this, because I don't have a very positive attitude towards rappers. I don't really know any. You're the first one I've actually talked to.
Versus France. The world and European champions are favourites. But let's not forget, down the years against the French, they've always been fan wanted.
The many opponents, two teams with secrets from each other. The stage is set, not just another game. Chapter of French football history. And it's got it! Classic in!
Spain have never been a match. They'll attempt to do so tonight at the Donbass Arena in Donetsk. The Spanish haven't been at their sparkling best so far. Took a late goal against Croatia to see them through as group winners. Cesc Fabregas comes in for Fernando Torres as the holders revert to their no-striker policy. After their World Cup debacle, the French came to the Euros on the back of a long unbeaten run. That came to an end against Sweden on Tuesday. Now, naturally, being French, they seem to have started arguing amongst themselves all over again. Can Mr. Blanc get his house in order tonight? He'll need to get something against Spain. Spain against France. A live game here on ITV1 and ITV1 HD kick-off. About 30 minutes. We'll leave you for this one in the studio.